Dentists do not want this to come to light. This is the method for teeth whitening. Currently, who does not like to wear a beautiful and bright smile? In addition, a beautiful smile can become a good letter of introduction and synonymous with well-being and health. That is why, for many, having sloppy teeth is a very unpleasant thing. But the best thing is that today we can find some alternatives that help us with this problem. The good news is that we bring you a completely natural tooth whitening treatment. It's fantastic since you only have to include it as a daily routine and that's it. The results will be great. So watch how you have to do it. It's very simple, and manages to show a perfect and healthy smile. In principle, to achieve a perfect smile and white you must keep the basic steps of oral hygiene, that is, brushing teeth after each meal, or at least 3 times a day. You should also know what foods and drinks you can avoid, as they cause stains on the teeth. We will put examples of foods that stain the teeth. 1. Red wine. 2. Coffee. 3. Blueberries. 4. Tobacco. 5. Etc. Even tobacco can change the color of the teeth, from white to yellow. However, if you are a person who likes to enjoy coffee and red wine frequently, but you want to preserve a white smile, without the use of toxic or painful treatments like the laser, there are other natural treatments that manage to whiten natural teeth, like the one we leave here. Treatment to whiten your teeth naturally. This treatment is apple vinegar, which is a natural product that has various uses thanks to its healing properties. In addition, apple cider vinegar, because it is an alkalizing agent because of the acidic substances it contains, is considered an effective treatment to whiten your teeth. To whiten your teeth with apple cider vinegar, you should dilute half a teaspoon of vinegar in a cup of water, then you should rinse with this mixture in the morning and then wash your teeth as usual. This way you will achieve a perfect smile. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.